Orchids Garden USA here. I'm going to show you one of my Phalaenopsis orchids. This one is blooming already. Look at that. It is so pretty. But anyway, it didn't put out a lot of blooms. I have about 4 flowers. And this one is growing in a sphagnum moss and a little bit of wood bark chips. And yeah, it burned, but no worry, it's gonna live, it's not gonna die. So anyway, this one right here, look at how pretty the flower is. And it is growing in a jar. Look how healthy the roots are. Look at that. Coconut husk chips all the way down at the bottom. And so I just got done watering it. And I put a little bit of tiny fertilizer, and that's what this is. Yes, the leaves are yellow, but no worries, it's gonna live, it's not gonna die. And I just love the flower. Look at that.